Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. We have a made-up question not found in textbooks. We have a mountain biker going down a hill. They are gaining speed without pedaling. Does this break the principle of energy conservation? Summary: no. It's just energy being converted from potential to kinetic. Let's go a little bit in depth. Why is that the case? So at the top of the mountain bike has potential energy. When it is going down the hill, it's converting that potential to kinetic. So that's why the bike is gaining speed. There's no energy creation, so it doesn't violate the conservation of energy principle. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you got questions or if this was helpful. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share this with your friends because it's not in textbooks. Until next time, see ya.